So we're looking at a John Deere. This is XUV 865M. So we're at the John Deere booth here, and I wanted to show you this. This is kind of a neat side-by-side. This is the XUV 865M. You've got your 4x4 capability, traditional side-by-side things, but I want to show you the cab. They've got a really nice cab on this with an actual car door to the point of even having a cup holder in the door. You've got an operable window. Yeah, remember that. Show this to your children. This is how we used to do windows. But this is a full car-type door. You've got a nice cab, enclosed cab right here. So you can have your heat and your control. Check that out. See that thing? That's unusual for side-by-sides. Well, let's just walk up to the front and show you what that is controlling. It is controlling a V-plow that you can fully adjust, left, right, tip it straight, and whatever you want to do with it. You have the both sides back. Lift it up, all from the comfort of that heated cab. Very sweet. Now, if we wanted to go, we're going to be doing parking lots. We can clear things, and then if we have some sanding that needs to be done, right there, they've got the hopper in the back that can handle that. And if you look down in there, you can see that there is a 2-inch receiver hitch on this particular Gator. So we are ready to go. This is a winter rig for making money in the winter, clearing snow, doing some different things. A lot of contractors and guys are looking at this right now. A lot of landscaping guys who do landscaping in the summer, and in winter they're looking to make some money clearing snow, and this will definitely do it for a lot of people. We'll put links in the description below, but this is something kind of cool here at the John Deere booth.